grams of flour, pinch of salt, and water, right? So you've got a nice dough resting, okay? So get ready. You need a bowl of flour for dusting and a rolling pin, yeah? So we're going to do this together. Good. Once it's ready, dust your table with a little bit of flour, okay? You got to make sure it slides. Remember we used to do shortbread and the biscuits? Got to slide on the bench like that, yeah? We know it's not going to stick. Okay, good. More flour on top. I want to get it as big as an A3 piece of paper, right? So we start rolling that out, guys. Let's go. Always make sure it's sliding here, guys. Make sure it's sliding. Take your time doing this. I booked this class for 3 hours. We don't need it all, but I booked it in just in case. Take your time doing this, guys. You got all night. There's nothing on TV tonight, is there? Don't think so. That's what it should look like. Nice plaits on each one. So my hands turned inside, right? So they came in together, not out, okay? This has all been recorded, so don't you worry. Looks like that. Straight into the oven, 200 degrees until a golden brown. Now, you should all understand by now what golden brown means, okay? Check the bottoms of your pastries, okay, and make sure they're dark enough, okay? The palmiers are the same, till golden brown. Sometimes the palmiers, if they're a little bit on the darker side, I would prefer, because that means they're more crunchy, okay? Any questions on this one so far?
How long does that take to cook?
Roughly about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your guys' ovens, yeah? Everyone's oven's different, so some may even take half an hour, okay? So don't rush it, yeah? Don't rush it. Good. I'm going to stop the recording now.